Meaning of eagle eye.
Eagle eye.
Eagle eye.
Eagle eye.
Eagle eye. Eagle eye is an idiomatic expression that means having an exceptionally keen ability to observe or notice things in detail. The expression comes from the impressive visual acuity of eagles, which are able to see their prey from great distances. When someone is said to have an eagle eye, it implies that they are highly observant and can quickly spot even small details that others may miss. This ability can be useful in many contexts, such as detective work, scientific research, or sports scouting.